It's another beautiful day in Dubai, and who wouldn't be in the mood for a coffee with a captivating view and sunrise? That's why I'm heading at the St. Regis to visit one of the world's iconic destinations. As I arrive here, I can feel the ease and warm welcome. It's my first time entering here, and it already caught me by its serenity. My excitement is even more elevated as I'm being lifted to the 50th floor. Yes, this is the Aura Skypool, the world's highest 360-degree infinity pool that can be found in Dubai. After confirming my reservation, the staff is genuinely escorting me to my table, and I am so glad that these cute freebies are given and which are perfect as tokens. And because I don't want to spoil the day, I am running towards the changing area. And look how prepared I am for today. Now that I'm back to my table, I ordered my hot Americano, which I couldn't miss. And I have to sip soulfully while getting mesmerized by the beauty being at the top. Besides, this was my intention. Before soaking deeply into this pristine water, funny but I have to feel first how warm or cold the water is. And since it is completely favorable, I am now ready to relax and enjoy my short stay here.
So this is the infinity pool now. It's really fantastic to be here because I'm seeing the Palm Jumeirah, the marina in Dubai, and the JBR itself.
As I mentioned a while back, the Aura Skypool is the world's highest 360-degree infinity pool, and it offers a relaxed leisurely swim while glistening not just the sunrise or the sunset, but also the lavishing landmarks of Dubai. As I try to explore and complete the 360-degree pool, any view is indeed spectacular. The Palm Jumeirah is majestic as always, and facing on its right side is the Burj Al Arab view, which is also a grandiose. And at the back lies the city view, which is a splendid sight of Dubai. And of course, on the western or left side is the Dubai Marina or Ain view, which is definitely an alluring spectacle. You can book your seat at the website, and the price starts from 200 or 250 dirhams depending on the view, seat, date, and season. It is certainly a marvelous experience to be in this prestigious place. For me, regardless of where I am seated in, all is but a beauty. But honestly, I like most seeing the Palm Jumeirah, which I have had hoped to sit in a cabana. Yet, I'm still grateful for this opportunity.